Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 13th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is bouncing nicely, so up 44 cents, 3.53% at 12.90. Post-market, we are even also at 12.90. So let's see what's happening here. Many things are happening here at the same time. So we are in this upward channel. This is the upward channel that we are in. And we came outside of it a little bit and now coming back into it. And we looked like we were going to go down to this support right here. But now we seem to be stabilizing a little bit. So we seem to be stabilizing on the support at 1230, at 1237. So 1237, our support, we seem to be stabilizing on it. And now we have a pretty strong green candle as we had with Tesla and with the indices also. So it seems like we might be bouncing on that 1237. And also bouncing on this upper support line here, upper support line. So within 5 to 10 days, we could be retesting the purple resistance right here. And we could be retesting this, let me put it, this channel resistance right here. Let me just do it correctly. This channel resistance right here. And also 1418 and 1442. So lots of stuff that the stock has to go through in order to free itself a little bit more. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart briefly how this happened. Look at this nice green candle on the first hour of the day. Then we followed through with a nice green candle also on the second day. Then we basically stayed put, and then we basically stabilized for the rest of the day below $13. Going back on the daily chart, we have stochastics still lower than 60 and everything else is negative. It's hard to say what is going to happen, but until we break this downward purple resistance, not much will be happening. So I think we just need to be patient a little bit and let's hope that we at least stay above 1237. If we don't, we are just probably going back to this support right here. So tomorrow is going to be a very pivotal day to see what is really happening with the stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.